So I just came back from the Apple store picking up the new iPhone 16 Pro. Like, this is the new Apple iPhone 16 Pro at 6.3 inches. It's a size increase from like last year's 15 Pro at 6.1 inches. Like that. And this is also in not space black, but black titanium, right? This is the black titanium. I've like just looking at the phone image from the box in person is like, I'm like, yeah, this looks massive, bro. But like maybe this doesn't tell the full picture. We will find out. But like just looking at, and you can't even see the camera or the capture button, they call it, bro. The capture button. Camera capture. Yeah, you can't even see it like from the picture on the box. But like, yeah. I just got this to like just test this out to like see what the new iPhone's all about. Cause like I have my 13 Pro Max still, bro. Right? Like the 13 Pro Max is the best iPhone I ever owned and I've ever used. And like literally the 13 Pro Max is the GOAT for me. Like, when the 13 Pro Max came out, like, there were zero complaints, bro. Like, the battery was literally A class, bro, right? The cameras was the display with 120 hertz. Like, finally, Apple brought, like, the one thing everybody's been calling for. They also brought in 5G, too, right? Also had 5G. Like, the 13 Pro Max was just, like, over, like, the best battery, bro. Like, I don't think like we might reach that level anytime soon. Even though like the new iPhone 16 Pro Max has 5 hours more battery rating on the Apple website than the 13 Pro Max. I don't think it's that like significant, bro. Even though it's like 5 hours different, like in like actual real world, like with 100% battery capacity on both phones, like you're just going to like see like a maybe 2 hour or 1.5 hour difference in like actual reality. So like, yeah. Now let's unbox the phone, right? So yeah. Yeah. That was nice. Yeah. Let's unbox this thing and see what. Whoa. Whoa. I could literally like just see the 6.3 inches in person already, bro. Yo. What the flip, dude? Yeah. Like this is black titanium, bro. I could literally already see the 6.3 inches in the display, and I can already see the capture camera button. But like, yeah, this is black. Whew, the phone feels cool in the hand, bro. This is black titanium. And this is the charging cable you get in the box with the SIM card ejection pin. And like the cable, the USB-C cable are braided, right? They look very clean too, so yeah. And like just like the Apple Watch unboxing, like you don't get any like stickers or something. You just get this thin paperwork, bro. It's like, bro, for a phone that costs thousands of dollars, bro. Like, yo, like this is all you like, bro. In the future, like you're gonna pre-order the phone, bro, and they're just gonna hand the phone over to you just like this, bro, without no box or nothing. Cause like we're trying to save the freaking few squirrels or the few dinosaurs or something like that. They're still alive, bro. Right? You're just like, bro, you're gonna be paying $5,000 and you're just gonna be like, well, this is the phone you just pre-ordered. Here you go. Here you go, and you get a cable too. Here you go. This is the cable And this is the phone. Yeah, no box, cause like we're trying to save the dinosaurs or something, bro. We're trying to save the birds. But like look at under, then it shows like the camera emoji thing, and like you have the power icon, the mute icon, and like the volume icon too. Like, and under you get the, you know, lightning icon for like the fast charging and the USB-C, bro. Right? Finally, bro. Like, and like the black titanium is like the worst out of all for like fingerprinting stuff, bro. It's like the worst. But like I like the black titanium and the natural titanium. Yeah, it feels heavier, like it feels heavier than the iPhone 15 Pro from last year. But now I'll just take off this on the display. Yeah. Yeah, this is nice, bro. But like, if I'm to like start with like one thing I don't like from the new iPhone is dynamic island, bro. I don't like it, bro. Like it, like the first like leaked from like leakers was like iPhone 16 Pro in 2024 will go with the under display Face ID tech then, right? And then it got pushed last year to iPhone 17 in 2025. And now we're hearing like freaking iPhone 17 might still come with like the full Face ID tech, bro, right? And I'm like, come on, bro. I don't even like Dynamic Island. But like, yeah, like this feels nice in the hand, bro, right? This, whew, yeah. Like, but like the side is like a fingerprint and smudge magnet, bro. Right? Like, but like, yeah, bro, like this feels nice, bro. And like the battery on this 16 Pro is rated at 27 hours, and my 13 Pro Max is rated at 28 hours, bro. So like just 1 hour more on my 13 Pro Max than the 16 Pro. My 13 Pro Max is at 6.7 inches. The 16 Pro is at 6.3 inches. And I'm like, that is insane, bro. That the 16 Pro at 6.3 inches is almost matching the 13 Pro Max in hours. But like, we would have to like test it out to like see. Now I'm just putting the device up to like, yeah. I can't wait, bro. I'm so excited for this. Right? It says hello. Yeah. 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 Like this is the box too, bro. Like, yeah. So I'll set everything up and transfer all my stuff. So I'll let you guys know what I think about the phone in a different video. So yeah, I'll let you guys know my thoughts and feelings in the next video. So yeah.